In this video, we'll discuss the top benefits and drawbacks of dropshipping as a customer. But before we get on with the explanation, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification icon so that you don't miss out on great content on WordPress and WooCommerce. Dropshipping is a form of online business where the store owner does not keep the actual products. Instead, they display products from third-party suppliers on their store. In fact, when the customer buys these items from a store, it is the third-party supplier who then ships the item directly. The store owner never sees, holds, or ships the item, but adds a margin to the product so that he can make a profit through online sales. Let's discuss the benefits of dropshipping as a customer. A large variety of products. As a customer, you get a large variety of products to choose from. Many dropshipping websites sell the same product, so you can buy the same product at a convenient price. Attractive offers. You get huge attractive offers during festive seasons. Dropshipping websites offer coupons and promo code that can be accessed to receive additional discounts. Check reviews. Many dropshipping websites display reviews for the products that they sell. You can check the genuine reviews and order products after careful analysis. Now, let's discuss a few demerits of dropshipping as a customer. Low-quality products. The products displayed on the dropshipping website might not be as good as they claim. You need to check the genuineness of the website and then order the products. Customer complaints. As your product is being delivered by the supplier, the customer might face problems while writing complaints or contacting them. After-sales service. The dropshipping website just displays the products and is not responsible for the after-sales services. So customers need to contact the original supplier for repairs or any other product-related issues. What to know before buying a product from a dropshipping website. Research the product and the seller before you buy any product. Check how much the real product costs, and who else is selling that same product. Do an online image search of the product and any other images the seller has posted, to check the originality of the product. Compare prices for the same or similar products from other dropshipping websites. Now, you have a decent knowledge about dropshipping and you can go ahead and shop for your favorite products online. You can also check out our other videos on top benefits and drawbacks of dropshipping as a seller and how to create a dropshipping website for free. Check out learnwoo.com for more articles, videos and resources related to WordPress and WooCommerce. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on our social media channels. Do let us know in the comments section if you want us to cover a specific topic, or if you have any ideas or suggestions.